It's very difficult to control the mind. Asamsayam mahabaho. Yes, Arjun, there is no doubt. Asamsayam mahabaho, Arjun. Mano durnigraham chalam. The mind is very fickle and it's very difficult to control the mind. But abhyasena tu konteya vairagyena cha grijhate. Abhyasena, practice. Keep on practicing. If you see that the mind is going away, bring the mind back. And at the same time, vairagyena, detach yourself from the objects of the matter, objects of the senses. Detach yourself. It is due to the attachment to the objects of the senses that the mind is running. Oh, here is a beautiful form, let me try to enjoy. Oh, here is a beautiful prospect, let me try to exploit it. No. Vairagyena, detach yourself. I'm not interested in anything material. With that only you'll be able to control your mind. Vairagyena. Vairagyena is the most important consideration. Ask yourself, are you attached to anything? Ask yourself, how much attached you are to your money? How much attached you are to your family? How much attached to your house? How much attached to your position? How much attached you are to your senses? Question yourself. Then you will consider, if natural, the mind will run. I am so attached to my bank account that while chanting, my mind thinks, oh, did that deposit take place? How much is there in the bank now? और मेरा बच्चा का ये हो गया, लड़की का शादी होने वाला था, बल्कि वो बेचारा नाराज हो गया है. Don't allow these sort of thoughts to come into your mind. As soon as they come, drive them out of your mind. No, this is not my business. This is not my business. So this is vairagyena. Vairagyena jagrijate. So in this way, we can actually see, in order to become Krishna conscious, everybody has to become a vairagi. Vairagi means sannyasi. Everybody has to become in his mind. At least not in externally, but internally, everybody must become completely detached. Now some people may think, oh, Maharaj is being so cruel. But the thing is, it's not my words, it's Krishna's words, and it's for our own benefit. I'm simply reminding you what Krishna says.